Go na, sir?
Okay, so let's continue. Okay, now I want each of you to share one strength you discovered in yourself. So let's start with Ed.
Sir, nakita ko po, parang matatag po pala ako.
Okay, so pagiging matatag, that's correct. How about you, Jason? Nakamute ka, Sir Jason. Thank you, Sir Jason. How about you, Alain?
Ah, natutunan ko po na sa sarili kong kaya ko po palang mag-open. Hindi ko po inakalang makakaya ko yun.
So thank you. How about you, Caleb?
Sir, ako po, nalaman ko po na kaya ko pa rin po pala magtiwala po sa ibang tao po.
So those are real strengths. Hindi lahat ng tao ay kayang gawin yan. Halimbawa, si Edmin na panatilihing maging matatag. Si Lorraine na kaya pala maging open up sa ibang tao. Si Caleb na kailangan pagkatiwalaan ulit ang kanyang sarili. At si Jason na matutong tumanggi o humindi sa mga maling gawain. So now, I want you to talk to each other. So yung last session natin, our initial stage, tayo ay nag-groupings by two, right? Kinroup ko si Jason and si Edmin, and I group also at Caleb and Lake. So ngayon, what would you like to say to each other as a group naman? So ano yung gusto niyo sabihin sa bawat isa? Since kayo ay magka-pair rather. Ay, oo nga pala. Nagbakal din ako. Okay, sige. Okay, so let's start. Isa pa, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's start with Jason. May gusto ka bang sabihin?
Ulitin mo, sir, mag-mute ako.
Thank you. How about you, Ed?
Thank you rin po, Sir Jason. Salamat po kasi nung panahon na nag-open po tayo na group, nakinig po kayo sa mga masasamang nakaraan ko at hindi nyo po ako hinusgahan. Salamat kasi mas naging matapang ako ng dahil po sa grupo po natin.
Yeah, yan. Thank you, Jason and Edmin. How about Lorraine and Caleb? Let's start with Lorraine.
Gusto ko lang pong sabihin na nandito lang po kami, Sir Caleb, na hindi ka nag-iisa. May mga pagkakataon na lagi ka namin papakinggan sa oras na kailangan mo ng masasagad.
So, how about you, Caleb?
Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Malaking tulong po sa akin na naiintindihan niyo po ako at asahan niyo din po na nandito rin po ako para makinig po sa mga problema or mga pinagdadaanan niyo po.
So, thank you. So, tatanungin ko kayo, ano yung ginawa natin ngayon, yung sharing na yan? So, ang tawag dito is group support dialogue, wherein lahat kayo, napakinggan natin yung bawat isa. Ibig sabihin, we listen, we understand, and we accept each other. Okay? So, let's create a simple plan before we end our session. When I feel overwhelmed, sabihin nyo lang, uh, I will breathe slowly. Second, I will talk to someone I trust. And third, I will remind myself, hindi ko kasalanan. Okay? So, susundan niyo ulit ako. Okay? So, this part of our session is para mas mapalakas yung kumpiyansa niyo sa sarili niyo. Kasi nakaranas kayo ng mga bibigat na hindi naman dapat na nararanasan at your age. So, follow me. I will breathe slowly.
I will go slowly.
I will breathe slowly.
I will breathe slowly.
I will talk to someone I trust.
I will talk to someone I trust.
I will
I
talk
will-
to someone I trust.
I will talk to someone I trust.
Okay, and last, I will remind myself, hindi ko kasalanan.
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 Okay, so can you commit to trying these three?
Yes po.
Yes po.
Yes po.
So thank you. So before we end, I want each of you to answer what give you hope right now. Let's start with Edmund. Again, what gives you hope right now?
Yung fact na meron po palang nakakaintindi sa akin, sir.
So thank you. Then how about Jason? About another rain.
Yung unti-unti ko pong pagbangon.
How about you, Jason? Ay, Caleb. Bakit? Okay. How about you? Well, nakasting kasi ako. Sorry naman, nakatingin ako dito. Nakatingin pa ako dito. Okay. How about you, Caleb?
Sir, yung support po na nararamdaman ko po ngayon sa mga kasama ko po.
Okay, so thank you. Thank you, Caleb, Jason, Lorraine, and Edmin. So I am truly proud of all of you. What are we doing right now is we're facing your emotion, sharing your stories. This is a courage. Mali. Okay, cut po. Next, ulitin ko po yung part ko. Okay, so thank you, Jason, Lorraine, Edmi, and Caleb. So I am truly proud to all of you. What we're doing right now is you're facing your emotion, your own stories. You have the courage. Just remember, you are not alone. You are not to blame, and healing is a possible. So this follow-up session is giving you the opportunity to surrender everything, right? So, my door is always open for all of you. And I hope pag nagkita tayo sa school, or ay makita ko na kayo masaya. Na kayo fully developed and confident. Maliwanag ba yun?
Yes po, sir. Thank you
Yes
po.
po, sir. Thank you po.
Thank you po, sir.
Okay, so thank you. Goodbye. You may leave the room.
Lilip na talaga.
Malilib na. Mamaya na kayo mag... Okay, so wala na tayong idadagdag. Yun na po yun. Oo, sige sir.